Namaste and welcome to Simply Simple Cooking. Today we'll be preparing a mouth-watering Indian roadside snack, Kanda Bhaji or onion fritters. Coming up. Before we begin, now you can follow us on our website simplysimplecooking.net along with the social media channels like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Won't it be nice to have your recipes written down somewhere so that you can jump between the ingredients and the method back and forth? Well, simplysimplecooking.net has been created keeping just that in mind. You can now have the complete elaborate recipes on just click of a button. Kanda Bhaji or onion pakoda is the best thing to have on a rainy day with some hot chai. But if it is not made correctly, this Kanda Bhajis become hard or chewy. So let me show you a quick and easy way to make this mouth-watering snack. For this, I have taken 2 large sliced onions, 3 tablespoons of chana besan, 3 finely chopped green chilies, some finely chopped fresh coriander. Along with this, you can also take some finely chopped curry leaves or kadhi patta, around 1 teaspoon of dhana jeera powder or cumin-coriander powder. Well, this is optional. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste. Take a large bowl and add all the onions in it. Now break these onions with a spatula or use your hand. Now once the onions are broken up properly, let's add some salt to taste. And now mix the onions well. Now once the salt is mixed with the onions, we are going to let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes so that they will start sweating and release its own water. Now after 5 to 10 minutes, you can see that the onions have now become moist. Now once you see that, let's add the other ingredients. So let's add the chopped coriander, the green chilies. If you are adding the curry leaves, you can add the curry leaves at this time too. Some dhana jeera powder and mix it well. Now add the turmeric powder and let's add the chana besan. Now don't add all the chana besan at one time. Add it slowly. We don't want the chana besan to be a lot. So as you keep mixing, keep on adding little chana besan. Now there is a reason why I am not adding a lot of water. If you add a lot of water, you won't get the crispiness of the pakodas. Now all the besan is mixed with the onions. Now let's heat up the oil. So this is how the final consistency of the onions and besan should be. If you pick it up, the onions and besan should form a lump like this so that it is easy to fry them. To check if the oil is heated up, just take 1 onion and drop it in the hot oil. See, it is not sizzling. It should sizzle immediately. This means that the oil is not hot enough. So now let's check again if the oil is heated up. You can see the onion is sizzled immediately. So now the oil is completely heated up. So take a lump of the onions and gently slide them in the hot oil. Once more. You can see that the bhajis are started to change its color, so it's time to flip them. Now let them be fried properly from other side as well. Now once the bhajis turn brown from both sides, let's take them out. So gently just drain the excess oil, and I have taken a plate and some paper towel in it. Now let's try the remaining bhaji. And here it is. Our Kanda Bhajis are ready. The hallmark of a good bhaji is that they should be crispy from the outside, but when you break open, they should be gently moist from within. So this was it guys from me in this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe of Kanda Bhaji. If you have liked my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also do consider subscribing. I have shared the entire recipe of this dish on our website simplysimplecooking.net. So see you again guys next time in my next video. Till the time, you keep experimenting with food, share it with your friends and don't forget to enjoy. Take care.